Hampi, sir, especially Koppal, to be precise.
An unfortunate incident has happened on 6th night at 10:30. 4 of the inmates in the Heartland homestay, they were staying there, 2 nationals, 2 foreign nationals, one Mr. Daniel from US, another one Nama from Israel, and the 2 others Indians, Pankajam Amrut Rao Patil from Maharashtra and Bibasha from Orissa. All these 4 were staying in the Heartland homestay. At 10:30, after the meal, after the dinner, they just wanted to go and sit and stargaze in a place in Tungabhadra dam premises. And suddenly 3 persons have appeared there and asked them money. First they asked them where is the petrol available. And when they said we don't know, there is a next village, you go and collect it. So they have asked money. They forced them to give money. And altercation has happened after that. And they pushed these 4 nationals into the canal. And 3 of them escaped and 1 could not escape. And the police also could not find the other person. So next day morning, on 8th, the body was found. One of the persons, Bibasha from Orissa, and the other Israeli national and the other Indian national, they were supposed to have been raped and tortured, and later on, they ran away after that. Then the police and inspector and DYSP have visited the spot and things like that. 2 of them have been arrested. Out of the 3 persons, 2 of them have been arrested. One, Mr. Mallesha from Gangavati. Another one, Chetan Saitam, he is also from Gangavati. The third one, we are tracking him. Most probably today or tomorrow we will secure the third person also. It's an unfortunate incident has happened. It should not have happened. Because on one hand, the government trying to attract tourists from not only nationals but internationals. But these kind of incidents deter them to come to Karnataka, come to these kind of places.
How are the 2 rape victims? Where are they being treated? What next, sir?
No, now that their statements have been recorded, 164 statements before the magistrate have been recorded. I exactly don't know what the statements are, and further actions according to the law we are going to take.
Sir, Hampi is a World Heritage Center. This particular news has kind of sensationalized and shows Karnataka in a bad spot. What measures are being taken?
Definitely, we are going to step up our security measures in the places like Hampi or even other tourist places. We will have to take a relook at the security measures in these places so that the tourists who come, they spend their time and go safely. So these kind of incidents will definitely deter them and kind of a negative impact. So that we don't want. We try to brief the tourists also, and trying to provide security.
The embassy.
The process is like those diplomatic missions will be informed. Either the US or the Israeli nationals. The particular embassies will be informed, and further whatever steps we have to take, we see that they are safely returned to their nations.
All right, sir. As far as Rania Rao case is concerned, the CBI is now taken over the case, sir. So how do you see these developments?
Yeah, we don't know because CBI suo moto they have taken. Normally they ask the state government, but in this case they have not asked the state government. Let them investigate and come out with whatever findings.
So,
after that only one can react.
So the buzz that some from film industry are also involved in this racket.
We don't know.
And it runs deep.
See, whatever it is, the CBI will find out. who is involved, where she was supplying, or who is using her. All these things will be found out by CBI. Once that report comes out, then we'll see.
All right, thank you.
Sorry.
ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 24x7. ಇದು ಸತ್ಯದ ಧ್ವನಿ.